morning, students. Today we will talk about the first chapter of the Fundamentals of Human Geography book, that is Human Geography. So, the first question is, what is human geography? According to Retzel, human geography is the synthetic study of relationship between human societies and Earth's surface. According to Alan C. Semple, human geography is the study of the changing relationship between the unresting man and the unstable Earth. Now we will come to the nature of human geography. Geography as a field of study is integrative, empirical, and practical. Thus, the reach of geography is extensive, and every phenomenon which varies over the space and time can be studied geographically. Human geography studies the interrelationship between physical environment and socio-cultural environment created by human beings. We can see the examples of houses, villages, cities, and all other elements of material culture have been created by human beings using the resource provided by the physical environment. These all things can be built with the help of technology. While physical environment has been greatly modified by the human beings, it has impacted the human life. Now students, we will talk about the naturalization of humans. This concept, other name, is also known as environmental determinism. So, this concept talks about the part of early human where nature played an important role in all the human activities. It was because the level of technology at that time was very low, and the human social development was also primitive. So, this type of interaction between primitive human society and strong forces of nature was called as environmental determinism. Nature was superior and humans were afraid of nature's fury. Now students, we will talk about the another concept, that is humanization of nature. This concept is also known as possibilism. So, the people began to understand their environment and the forces of nature, and they were able to develop technology to interact with the nature. Humans moved from state of necessity to state of freedom. We can see the imprints of human everywhere around us, like health resorts on highland, urban sprawl, field pastures, etc. Nature provided the human beings opportunity, and the human beings use those opportunity, and slowly the nature gets humanized and human became superior over the nature. Now students, we will talk about the concept of environmental determinism. This concept was given by Griffith. It talks about the middle way between those two concepts, that were environmental determinism and possibilism. He termed this concept as NEODETERMINISM or stop and go determinism. This concept talks about that human beings can conquer nature by obeying it. They have to respond to the different red signals and proceed in the pursuits of development when nature permits the modification. Well, students, we will talk about the three schools of thoughts which we will study under the human geography. First is the welfare school of thought. It talks about the different aspects of social being such as housing and health and education. Radical school of thought, it talks about the cause of poverty, deprivation and social inequality. Behavioral school of thought talks about the ethnicity, race and religion, etc.